All right, here we go. Full reveal on this vintage Americana set of Snap-on double box end 10-degree offsets. First thing we notice is we've got the vintage 1970s logo. Again, I've been talking about that. This started in 1970, ran till the early 80s. Maybe not exactly 80 or 81, but by 83 they had gone to a shadowed logo. And then by the mid 80s, they were going to their chromed logo. Still marketing under the Boxocket name. You don't see that much anymore. That's something that Snap-on, again, genius at marketing, came up with in the 1950s going into the 60s, that your box end was like a socket, right? Differentiating between open ends. Flank drive plus. Thin wall construction allows units to squeeze into tightest places, yet affords maximum turning power. Beautiful. Still has some of the original tape. Here's the side look. And out front, choice of better mechanics, and we know that to be true because they printed it. They wouldn't print something that wasn't true. The box is in excellent shape for its age. You know, thinking that this could be as much as 50 years old by now, right? You know, every trade, every industry has its sought-after tools. Ask a machinist about how they feel when they see a Starrett box for Starrett tools in a flea market or a swap meet or something like that. They get all excited and they go running for it and they're ready to punch somebody out to get the first box. Okay, here is the reveal. Very, very nice. Somebody got these, whoever this Jones is, that is not me. And did not hardly use them. They used them a little bit. Now, they're missing two sizes. Yes, they are. That didn't hold me up one bit, because if we look, the smallest size on the set is 3/16 and 7/32, which is like this one here. That's hardly ever going to be used. And then if we went up two from there, the 5/16 to 3/8 is missing. Now, 5/16, 3/8. Oh, I guess one more. 3/8, 7/16. Right, 3/8, 7/16 is missing. Okay, but I've got a 7/16 here, and I've got a 3/8 here. So in essence, the set is complete. Like it's not actually missing a fractional size that you would use on a regular basis, right? I just had to get these because, well, this stuff is starting to become a little more hard to find, right? Or it will be as every 5 years goes by. Excellent, fabulous shape. And that's never been on a fastener. I think the 9/16 has seen the most use, of course. You know, these 10-degree offsets, they're really, really short. I was actually surprised when I first opened it up as to how short they are. You know, if you want to put another wrench beside it, for comparison, we'll take a 9/16. And then if we take like a 9/16 box end, you know, they're pretty awfully short. But that could really save your butt. You know, you get into a jam where, you know, you need to get this in around some exhaust manifold or something like that. Like I was taking off bolts for my neighbor's Scout, and 1974 Scout we were working on, and you had no room to get in there. You needed a stubby or you needed something like this in order to get the bolts off that hook the exhaust up to the flange. So there you have it. Excellent shape. They'll go into the collection. I mean, yeah, okay, fine. I'll find some use for them. I know standard is not what I use a lot of anymore because most modern vehicles are all going to be metric, but You get some American USA made stuff. They're still good. And I am partially a collector as well. So hope you liked the video. Hope it's relevant. Click, like, share. Catch you on the next one. Bye.